interrupted with the Keyboardhook Library DLL blocking localized input orchestration workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. As we look at the manual steps for Keyboardhook Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Keyboardhook Library, a generic keyboard hook module. It manages the unmanaged memory addressing required to intercept system-wide keystroke events. It facilitates the data link between hardware input and specialized software manifests for hotkey management or accessibility tools. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The file Keyboardhook Library DLL is required for localized input orchestration to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Keyboardhook library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Keyboardhook Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Keyboardhook library and system configuration. To support our technical team and receive updates on Keyboardhook library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.